All right, so we have a really nice product database built out, and we have stock that came in. We are starting to issue stock. Now, let's look at how we add some custom categories and also custom measures. So this product that we have here is product 2. Let's just go ahead and adjust it because this is actually coffee, right? And coffee is an inventory product. However, coffee is actually food, and we see we don't have food as a category here. The other thing is that coffee is measured in bottles, and once again, we don't have bottles here. Let's just go ahead and save that. Oh, we need to fill this. Yeah, initial quantity. All right, I'm gonna just go and hit some save. Yeah. Yeah, so we have coffee, and as I mentioned earlier, coffee is a food item, and we don't have food here. So how do we firstly go about updating our categories? Within the product module, if you click on settings, there's a categories option here. And within this page, it functions just as our other list page. You see the title of the category, a description if one is given, and the number of products that are categorized under each category. You can further view a category. So here you'll see all data about that category, and you're able to add some notes about the categories. Now, let's go ahead and add coffee as a category. Sorry, that should be food as the category. And hit save. So there you go. See, we have food. And a couple of other things I wanted to adjust because this is a little bit complicated. Network and IT support, we would like to shorten that. So let's just edit it. And you edit it, you hit save, you see this is adjusted to IT support. The products remain. And software development, let's just call this software, right? Maybe any digital purchases, right? And this one, maybe we can name this the electronics, right? So IT hardware, right? So now we've added a new category, and we have updated two of our categories, right? Now if I go back to products, you'll notice one, the categories that we have updated. So IT support is updated to electronics. You'll see this is already adjusted here. And then software development and maintenance is updated to software. So there you'll see our categories. Once we make an update, they're updated across our products. And of course, we wanted to adjust coffee to being a food. So you have multiple ways of doing this. One is to edit it, or you can probably adjust the category by multi-selecting. And then let's say, hey, this needs to go under food. I'm going to go ahead and update. And there you go. We see coffee adjusted to food. And this works well if you have quite a few items that need to be adjusted to a specific categories. And that's how you go about modifying your categories. The other thing that we mentioned is that coffee is measured in bottle, and we don't have a measure for bottle. Now, you will notice that there are no actions to update these measures, and that's because these are system measures. These come with the system, so you cannot update or adjust those. However, let's add our measure, right? So bottle, and how is this measured, right? Is it a unit? Is it a length? Is it mass? What is the quantity? In this case, the bottle is a unit. And I will go ahead and save, and you see bottle gets added. You do see that we have the action to edit bottle, and let's just say any bottled item, right? I'm gonna hit save, and there's our description. If we go back to our product list, once again, I can edit this, or I'll just use the batch update, and I'll say, hey, the measure for this is actually bottle. I'll go ahead and update it, and I don't actually have measures in this list, but if I view the coffee, we'll see that the measure is set to bottle. And that's how you go about customizing your products, your product categories, and your product measures.